Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Lucid Dreams on keyboard. First, familiarize yourself with the default keybinds for movement, jumping, and interacting. Many players find adjusting the mouse sensitivity or camera speed in the settings menu greatly improves their experience. Spend some time in a low-pressure area, like the tutorial or a quiet zone, to get a feel for the controls. This foundational practice will make more complex actions much smoother as you progress. Once you have the basics down, focus on combining your movements. Try running and jumping simultaneously, or strafing while looking around. Precise timing is crucial for many challenges, so practice your jumps and dodges until they feel natural. Assigning frequently used items or abilities to quick-slot keys, such as the number keys 1 through 5, can significantly speed up your reactions during intense moments. To truly excel, consider customizing your keybinds. Moving frequently used actions closer to your left hand, for example, can shave off precious milliseconds. Explore advanced movement techniques such as bunny hopping or air strafing, which can help you traverse environments faster. If the game supports it, setting up simple macros for a sequence of actions can also give you an edge, making complex maneuvers effortless. If you're experiencing issues, first ensure your keyboard drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause unexpected input problems. Also, dive into the game's settings to look for options related to input lag or responsiveness, as tweaking these can make a big difference. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Don't hesitate to consult online communities for specific game tips or troubleshooting advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.